Have you ever thought about getting an e-bike but you weren't sure if they're actually worth it? Is it worth the hype? Why is everybody getting one? Well, this one right here might be the one that changes your mind. Welcome back to a brand new video, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Santi with the Tech Utopia team, and today we are diving into a brand new e-bike, and this one right here is the Actbest Mars, and it's an e-bike that is ready to give you comfort, performance, and long range without hitting you with the big price tag. The Mars has that compact and tough build, and with the thick all-terrain tires, the sturdy frame, and a step-through design that is super easy to hop on and off, and it folds up too, so you can just throw it in the back of your car or store it easily at small apartments or garages. And the handlebars are adjustable, and you got front and rear fenders, so you're all set for rain or shine. Now let's talk about performance, because this e-bike runs a powerful motor paired with a 7-speed Shimano gear system. And you can ride it manually, use the pedal assist, or go full throttle depending on your mood. There's also a walk assist mode, which helps you push the bike when you're off of it, and it's perfect when you're going on an incline or moving in tight spaces. The LCD display is on the left side of the handlebar, and it's actually really easy to read even on bright sunlight, and it shows you the speed, the battery level, the assist mode, the mileage, and more. And you can cycle through modes and adjust the pedal assist level with the simple M button. The throttle is on the right handlebar, and along with the brake leveler and the gear shifter, it's pretty much like a motorcycle setup, so it feels familiar. And the battery life is always the big question, and this one can last up to 55 miles on pedal assist depending on your weight, the terrain, and the speed. Charging is very simple. Just unlock the battery, slide it out, and plug it in, and you can also charge it directly on the bike if you prefer. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to fully charge, and the charger is included in the box. Now the front suspension fork helps a lot with the bumps. Combined with those fat tires, the ride is surprisingly smooth even on uneven roads. It also comes with the front and rear mechanical disc brakes, the reflector, and built-in headlights, so you're visible and safe even when riding at night. Now, if you're new to e-bikes, maintenance is pretty straightforward. Keep the chain lubricated, check the brakes, the bearings, and the tires regularly. The manual covers are all clearly, including the troubleshooting tips in case if you ever run into any issues. Now, the Actbest Mars, it feels pretty smooth just cruising around the park, and the best part is how easily it folds up, and you can toss it in the back of your car or an SUV, and you can take it anywhere. It's quiet, it's responsive, and honestly just makes short trips much easier and way more fun. So I think the Actbest Mars actually checks in all of the boxes when it comes to an e-bike, and what you're looking for comfort, performance, reliability, and portability, that you can just put it in the back of your car, fold it up, and then go bike somewhere, and when you're done, fold it, put it back in your car, go home and charge it up so you can go on an adventure the next day as well. So if you're looking for a reliable commuter or something that is fun for the weekends, I absolutely recommend you to check out the Actbest Mars. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you're gonna get one of these, make sure that you use our special code so you can get an extra savings on the way out. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.